Structure of hydrochlorothiazide, will go for the synthesis. First I will write the structure, then it will become easy for us to write the synthesis. Same, benzothiazide. Hydrochlorothiazide means it is saturated because it is more active drug. Here it is having the chloro group, here it is having the sulfonamide group. This is the structure of the hydrochlorothiazide. Now we will go for the synthesis. The synthesis of hydrochlorothiazide, it will start with the 3-chloroaniline. Remember this, the synthesis start with the 3-chloroaniline. This is the aniline because when it is having the amine group, it's called as the aniline. Third position, it is having the chloro group. Now it will be react with the chlorsulfonic acid. Here chlorsulfonic acid by the removal of water. Now see at which position it is going to be introduced, the sulfonyl chloride group. Here this position substitution is there and this position also substitution is there. That's why the empty positions are these two, because these two are the free positions. That's why here one sulfonyl chloride and here one sulfonyl chloride, that is SO2. What it introduces? Sulfonyl chloride group introduces here one and here one. The next part, you might be thinking here, you might be observing here, SO2 is there, but here NH is there. Here also you can see SO2 is there, here NH is there. Means what it is going to be indicate? It required the amidation, means we have to treat with the ammonia. See in the next step, we are treating with ammonia. That process is called as the amidation. Remember this, what it is called? Amidation. That is introduction of the amine group. Introduction of the amine group, what it produces? See here SO2 is there. Okay, one of the hydrogen and one of the chlorine goes out in the form of 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. So what it will be remain here? SO2, then NH2. Here also SO2, I can write like this, SO2 NH2. Okay, here it is remain which group? Amine group. Here chlorine group. Just see what thing new amidation, what we got new thing here, this amine group and this amine group. These two are the new thing. Here the sulfonyl chloride group, then it undergoes the amidation to produce the amino group. Okay, in the next step you can see what we required in the next step. We required this carbon, is it right? This carbon we required. For that, always whenever the carbon we required, we have to be react with the formaldehyde. From that only carbon will come. Okay, then carbon will come means what it will be relieve? It relieves the water. Okay, now what happened? It undergoes the cyclization with the help of formaldehyde to give the hydrochlorothiazide. Here you can see SO2, then here NH, this NH, here extra thing what will come? This carbon. Okay, this carbon will come here, this carbon. Then next what it will be have? Amine group one more, it is remain in the form of NH. Then here chloro is there, 6th position. 7th position what we are having? Sulfonamide group we are having. Okay, this is called what? Hydrochlorothiazide. What new thing we got in this structure? It is cyclized. Introduces the carbon with the help of what? Formaldehyde. Okay, just remember that, don't be confused. Initially 3-chloroaniline required. It undergoes the react with the sulfonyl chloride to introduce what? Sulfonyl chloride groups, that is SO2Cl. Here one and here one, SO2Cl, sulfonyl chloride. then it undergoes the amidation by the relieving the water. Then what it will be introduces? Here one amine group and here one amine group introduces. Next step, we require the cyclization. The new carbon from where it is coming? This carbon is coming from the formaldehyde. What it is called? Formaldehyde. Then easily undergoes the cyclization to produce what? Hydrochlorothiazide. Okay, hydrochlorothiazide is more potent than the chlorothiazide.